Yeah, she's one of the victims too. They still don't move from where they tell them to move. So he's been arrested. He's also a victim. He's the owner of these clothes. If you don't comply to what they say to you, you'll be arrested. Not selling around the roadside.
What about the other side?
They asked her to remove all the stops around this place. He is begging for him to forgive him. He said his kids are in school.
Inga min fefe ka bondi janne do sila ni mo so dimbal be siare mbul be munake la sila ngata munna awe njakalle be bori mborne la school baluwo janni bita karamon de kam monde aka tout 300 sila lonj school jobe tay baluwo be tay kabri ndi won ko lonji ko ko mun lonji ni amoy be lonji dili lay konton kamira konton ali yam fu ma nga fefe jang ala be sedi arena dale min fo be barala wol bari ngal dani ala ni kilali ali mbula nga fefe jando man di ndorong indi wale indi un fama bandale indi un fama de baluri do ma muso fana be mul wo ke ma nyaamu de fana na dimbal be mbulo kono silambe kala nyaadi le ngali dani le de ide to ko mu fat mata de sedi.
Yeah, the auntie was saying that he's the only one taking care of his family and his kids. So he was begging them so that they can leave her to sell these kids because he said this is the place where he do feed his family, pay his children's school fees, and give them lunch. So if they case them from here, where will he go and have? That means this is the only place where he survive with his family, because they said his husband is not anymore, that passed away. That's why, so they should leave her, at least let him just manage with these things. That is woman standing over there. Yeah, he's still begging so that they can give her this place and sustain his family, because he's having kids, paying their school fees, feeding them every day is not easy. They are pulling down their stuff. They are selling fokajai. They are parking to leave because the PRO said they should leave. We are still in Brikama, guys, and the operation is still going on. They are selling second-hand clothes called Fokajai. So he's the victim too. We have been arrested because they already warned him last time he came here. Yeah, we're here on the again around Gunjung Barracks. He's got to park, so we are waiting for him to call his boss because he's gonna lock this up and they will take him along. He's parking his stuff inside. That's Sergeant Dabu. You should lock the gates. Operation is still going on, guys. We are here with the PRO. It's going around to check those who don't comply, and they will arrest them. This is where we operate already. It's still moving forward, guys. Walking around to check. If you don't comply to what they say to you, they got you arrested by the police with the PRO here. They asked him to park. They asked her to park, sorry for that. And this is the place we demolished yesterday and day before yesterday in Brikama.
I asked you. Who is the boss? It's my question. My question. Who is the boss? But the Bible is not sorry.
So they are packing their stuff. They are trying to run away, so they're going to stop them. Yamtun, Kanala, Mai. So they asked the shopkeeper to take his stuff outside, so he will be arrested by the police. And he's the one coming out right at the moment because we made his stuff outside, and they give them a warning that no one should bring your material outside. You should have a signboard on your shop or two, for example, but not all of them should not be inside. But we found his stuff outside. Yeah, they tried to run away, but they have been stopped by the PRO and the PI officers. That's taking their taking stuff inside. As they said, one for example, or you should have a signboard.
cantine bi man li ma am dama koy liggéey dama koy ñàkk léegi nii fi ma toll nii maa ngi overla soofa sa boy maa ngi juróom-ñaari doom laa am ñetti ñu ngi jàng alxuraan ci nga fi ma nekk nii aw ma sax ndawa ci biir suma mobile bi mu ngi nii ci biir aw ma dara manuma dara dimbale leen ñu ngir yàlla dëmmi Rasulullah we are suffering boy man xaw ma lu tax ñu leen def waaye dimbale leen ñu rek am na loo xamante ni wane ñu ne day mën a jàppale yaa boot Gambien si boy ñu laawante biir dimbale leen ñu ngir yàlla dëmmi Rasulullah ñu ngay appel nguur bi ngeen delluwaat toog xelaataan xel dellu ginnaaw si li ngay nekkee nii miti na de te li starting bi la de demaguñ li si kanam xaw ma li si kanam de kon man léegi man 500 laa amee pour ma war ko liggéey loolu laa war a lekk si 10 days yi ndax léegi su jeexee booy fi ma waroon a amee su ma ko léegi naka laay defal dimbale leen ñu man maay Madi Mbay booy raba booy Italie Madi Mbay Brikama market ñu maa woo booy raba
waaye yaakaar naa ne lii jëmi kanam réew mi la
waaw jëmi kanam réew la waaye xam nga saa bu mu ne di nga arjana sax balaa nga fay dugg sax dafay métti lii yar boo xamante ni dëgg am na si loo xamante ni correct na de illégal socco yi man nangu naa loolu waaye am na si place yoo xamante ni loolu tànk sax dana fa toog wan iya tànk fekk loolu waaye am na si yoo xamante ni moom maanaam ñun fi nekk suñu place yi fi mu nekk nii ñun ak tali bi dem na ba 10 meters man am naa fii place am naa no place garage waaye biñu génne garage am agree with the people boobu agree naa ne boobu correct waaye bii nii ñu ñëw fekk ñu ngi teg fi suñu bagage ñu ne ñu génne ko dama bëgg a xam ndax yoon bi ñun ñu toog noonu dafa affaire yoon bi ndax affaire bu yoon bi pour in case balaa maa génne waat sama bagage ñu maa arrêté.
He was complaining that we were here to check on the manager, but then they did not come out. He was taking action. They said the manager is praying.
It's nothing. It's nothing.
So that's the manager out right now.
Are you the manager?
Yes.
What I want?
How are you, sir?
How are you? Sorry.
Well, I am just hearing for the first time. And from last week to this week, I'm here for the entire working hours. But there is no notification that I have gotten for removal of this guy. But it doesn't take me any minute to take this out if you have been to me that I have taken out. I'll tell you the fact of the matter, even yesterday or the day before yesterday, when they were marking around, I came out to understand whether they will also come around this end to see any area that I need to move.
So yeah, so you just have this remote?
Exactly. We will take care of it. And I promise you that it will be taken care of. Yes. But we have never got any notification. So we will go by the instruction.
We are not modifying for like documentation. So just come here and tell me we want this to be removed because we feel this to be double corridor. There is no very formal.
No, that's not a problem. We will take care of it.
Yes. We will give only 30 minutes to remove it. 30 minutes, 3-0. Yes, let's go.
So the officer is waiting for him to park his stuff inside. Because they want them not to bring their own stuff inside. This would have a signboard as this one. I'll leave one for example. Yeah. Here too is another victim. This is the reason why we arrest him. So all of them who arrested, this is the place where they kept them. They are in the truck right now. These are the victims.
Ai, uti gojeni, so no dawa de pidi bus. Saya jati fami mambao. Da dawa de pidi bus no to. Seno ngi be holor ma. Andu ma wata jodo ni ci boutique mali bama. Ko metti berne jano. So men faala be wallu men be holla men dula. Asi do di bama men naba boutique jini at least. Madum be yatna men golla do ko me wada. Ko te bana wurira. Ay wata won me ben.
Yeah, he was speaking in Fula and I can't speak Fula, so I can't interpret back what he is saying. But Fulas, they will tell you what he was saying in the comment section. Who are Fulas? Can you please interpret what the guy just said right now? I can't speak Fula. That's the reason why I cannot interpret, because he was only speaking Fula. So we are still in Brikama, guys, moving around. As I said before, that we are going to go around the place we operate day before yesterday and yesterday, and to check whether all of us have complied. And if you don't comply to what they said to you, they got you arrested by the Gambia police. And we are here with PRO, the PI officers, media personalities, Gambia Armed Forces, and the Gambia Police too. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you are new to the platform, you're welcome to PIS Gambia. This woman is selling watermelon, and he said to move back. So he said.
Ala saro mantara siaring so mane ka ego nila saro pada kana sara ke jekole para fere binna daga saro tara na bidala na bidala na do ko e wala ko bi na tara ida kana ma any effort ke
ani de effort ke nanga jatta janna kandi ko ngawul ma de mane la be ñoo la su ñu konté na ngam ko na men tara ngam ko ñu konté na ci ko wala ko rin na ko ci wata mi ko amari man tara ko nana da ala fa ñu konté na aya bo sa mare ko mo ko sa ko mi ko le be puntula atandina dro wo ndi ngo atandina dro nada no lo ko ko me ñin be bo ko ko tambela na inshallah sama by 10 wata finta ni na da yaro yana da especially ya ji ale memon na silo de jambi wala mu na nada no jalla su ya woman tara o me tara jang men tara jang afo wali ko jang anyanta ka bonde so bin nada mes du mang futa muta bin nada men futa tam manga wala san tol si men keno na alfa lembula mena na ke vale lembula mena ko wala sa nim futa raji ida fana si fango explain sa ngata mo.
Yeah, the aunt was uncle saying that they asked him to cut this veranda, but which he did not do. He later said that the message, the day they came here, the day Mane was here, he was not around. So the message did not reach him. So right now, he will be taken to the police station. As Sergeant Dabo said, when he reaches there, he will explain his own point. So we are going with you.
Saya left them in the comment
Everything around here should also go out. That's the reason why they are taking him to the police station. As he said, when he reached there, he will also explain the reason why he did not remove anything. Because the owner said the day Mane was here, he was not around.
Okay, from interview, the main you can above. Thank you very much.
But he later said, let Sergeant Dabo chief him tomorrow. Then when he came back around 10, everything will be done. But which he did not agree that. He said he was sent by his leaders that if anyone don't comply to what they tell them, that he should take them to the police station, and that what he did. But the owner was trying to say so that he can give him 24 hours again. Then tomorrow, by this time, everything will be done. But the permission was not granted, so he's going with us. Stay tuned, guys. It's nice Gambia. Customer behind the camera, and the operation clear the road. It's still going on. National Road Authority. Today we are here with Sergeant Dabo and the PRO officers, the officers, the armed forces, the media personality, as usual. So stay tuned. Sergeant Dabo checking for the shopkeeper, and when he came back, he should remove all this iron. As I said, we are still in Brikama, but every day is a different activity. Yesterday we were operating, but today they are not operating, they are arresting those who don't comply. So stay tuned, guys, if you need more of it. This car should not be parked here. Sure. They asked the owner to remove it from here.